Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. I hope you guys are doing well. In this video, I'm going to talk about sorting in Google Sheet. Now, without further ado, let's dive right into this video. In this video, if you will see, uh, at the bottom there is a text box. Just click on that text box which is specifying enter text or formula. Then press equal, which tells Google that we are going to write a formula. Now we will use sort formula using the word sort followed by round parenthesis. Inside that, select your range from start till end on which you want to apply sort. As we are going to sort on the basis of particular column, specify its column number. Here I am going to give as 2 because I want to sort that particular column. Then write to true or false. If you will specify true, it will do the sorting on the basis of ascending order. Now click on that tick. Here we go. See, it has sorted your table. So this is how your sorting function works in Google Sheet. Thanks for watching.